Many mothers experience baby blues, especially up till 2 weeks post delivery. In that time period, they are both intensively monitored by the healthcare staff. Mothers, you have done something amazing. अगर उससे भी improvement ना हो, then that is the time you consult your doctor. Hi new moms, I am Dr. Simran and welcome to Gynae Guide. डिलीवरी के बाद का पोस्टपार्टम फेज या फोर्थ ट्राइमेस्टर एक बहुत ही सेंसिटिव फेज होता है. इस टाइम आप और आपके बेबी दोनों को ही एक्सपर्ट केयर चाहिए होती है. So in today's video, we walk through some essential postpartum care tips that help you recover, bond with your baby and thrive in this special phase. First, let us understand about the postpartum period. डिलीवरी के immediately बाद, that is the first 24 hours, is the most critical period for the mother and the baby. In that time period, they are both intensively monitored by the healthcare staff. Regardless of the route of delivery, vaginal or cesarean, bleeding is usually seen in mothers. It is not considered normal when 2 or more pads need to be changed every 2 hours. It is then you need to consult your doctor at the earliest. Some amount of mood swings, cramping, pain lower abdomen can be usually seen. After vaginal delivery, it is very important for the mother to pass urine as soon as possible. In case of a tear, strict perineal hygiene needs to be maintained. Avoid folding your legs while sitting in the immediate postpartum period. इसके अलावा some amount of mood swings, cramping and sleep disturbances may also occur. Now talking about the baby. Immediate postpartum period में it is very important to start breastfeeding as soon as possible. जितनी देर हो सके, the baby needs to be in skin to skin contact with the mother. Helps to maintain the temperature and blood sugar levels in the baby. It also enhances recovery of the mother. Now, when you are discharged from the hospital and go home, a full diet is usually encouraged. Light activities, spiritual well-being is really emphasized upon. A strong family and partner support will help to increase your physical and mental healing. Avoid all kinds of stress, physical or mental. Maintain good perineal hygiene and take regular baths. घर पे अगर पेन ज़्यादा हो रहा हो या वजाइना में नियर योर स्टिच लाइन सूजन ज़्यादा लगे तो सिट्स बाथ एंड आइस पैकिंग आर रिकमेंडेड. अगर उसके बाद भी पेन सेटल ना हो या फाउल स्मेलिंग डिस्चार्ज मिले तो प्लीज़ कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर एट द अर्लीस्ट. Coming on to breastfeeding, minimum 8 to 10 sessions per day are recommended with minimum 1 session during the night. It helps to maintain blood sugar levels in the baby. Now, in case आपकी breast में engorgement start हो गई है या pain बहुत ज़्यादा है, cracked nipple हो रहा है, तो what precautions can be done? First, encourage manual expression of breast milk, even if the baby is not feeding at that moment. Then, a firm breast support such as a brasserie is encouraged. Hot fomentation just prior to breastfeeding and cold fomentation in between the feeds will help you increase your breast milk quantity and quality. Applying hind milk at the site of cracked nipple will enhance healing process. अगर उससे भी improvement ना हो, then that is the time you consult your doctor. Now let us discuss the emotional well-being. Many mothers experience baby blues, especially up till 2 weeks post-delivery. Feelings of mood swings, tearfulness, or being overwhelmed are often seen. For this, build your support team. Your family, friends, and spouse will definitely help. Talk to your gynec, and if needed, we might also refer you to a counselor. Now talking about self-healing, you can do yoga, meditate, read books, or whatever that makes you happy and fulfilled inside. In an uneventful pregnancy, a usual follow-up after 6 weeks is advised. In many cultures, especially India, आपने घर वालों से ज़रूर सुना होगा कि डिलीवरी के बाद के 1.25 महीने में अपना ध्यान रखो, बेबी की केयर करो, बाहर आना जाना कम करो एंड स्ट्रेस तो बिल्कुल अवॉइड करो. Well, we doctors also recommend the same. इस टाइम में हैव अ न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट एंड स्टे हाइड्रेटेड. पोस्टपार्टम हीलिंग एक टीम एफर्ट है. Mothers, you have done something amazing and you're not alone. टुगेदर रिकवरी फास्ट होती है और मेमोरीज स्वीट बनती हैं. So mothers, reach out for support and treat yourself with kindness. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and let's meet next Thursday.